So-ke akusimina yini emngcwabeni kaPheli, emangcwabeni ngicula ngithi amehla aphele kubambe eshiqi suka lapho ngaphinde futhi ngacula imimosa gazi ngiyisaba. Hayi ke sihambe ke seyikuphi yabo, sifika ngifica omama abazilile abo mhlambe bewu-8 yabo befake lezi zinto leziphika zokuzipha. Akusimina yini babuza ukuthi hayibo nisazilile namanje mina kade ngayikhumbula inzila anikhumbuli ngani wema. Guys ngizoyibona ividiyo le engizoyifaka amahloni kimi. Yo nginamahloni guys, qoyisa ngibugezanga ubuso yazi, but nje guys imimosa ngiyayisaba. Baqinisile bethi imimosa hayi ngeke ingikhandile imimosa. Namahloni kumina guys, ama-2K abehlekani. Nama-2K1 ngizoyibona le video engishoyo lingixolele guys.
Malungo lwakho udumo
Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Nkosi yami. This was Pearl Mkhize's funeral that took place this past weekend. And of course, it was granted by the presence of some celebrities, including Babes Wodumo. I think it is because Pearl Mkhize was some kind of an entertainer. Le KwaZulu. Hayi bandla, it is a sad thing for the family to lose their child. Kodwa they definitely gave her the send off, showing her life. But they were basically doing it the way she was doing it when she was still alive. Ayiqiniso nabathi indlela oyihambayo uma uphila indlela abantu abokuthumela ngayo uma nje usuhlukene nenyama. Because what? And people on the comment section were complaining, stating that they would never allow their daughter to be buried in that manner. Nkosi yami, kodwa ke kuyophelelaphi? Because you can never hide indlela umntwana ephila ngayo. You better just accept it and let the funeral be as it is. If mhlawumbe unenkinga zama ukhuza ingane uma isaphila. Kodwa hayi ke Nkosi yami, asikhulumeni ngoBabes Wodumo. Why was she singing when she knew very well that she was drunk? I shame Babes bane drama angifuni ukungasho. But she is definitely struggling to sing and struggling to keep pace. Hayi bandla, the way she was singing, even the people that were backing her up, they were all bimbering. It was a bimbari moment there. It was bimbing left, right and center. But it looks like umsebenzi kaPheli uhambe kahle. Condolences again to her family. That's it for today. But please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.